Brother devices are designed to be secure as standard, so they are protected from the moment they leave the factory right the way through to end of life. The majority of security features are programmed into firmware. So in this video, we'll explore how Brother devices maintain the integrity of this firmware, ensuring it is legitimate and appropriate. Furthermore, we will explore how Brother keeps your device up to date with the latest security patches and alerts for end users to take action. From the moment you switch a Brother device on, the authenticity and legitimacy of the firmware is checked by the device itself before allowing any user interaction. This means that only Brother firmware that is intended only for your device can be used. This is performed through a secure boot procedure. This procedure then continues every time your device is powered on. By ensuring legitimacy of firmware, only genuine Brother software will run on a Brother device, meaning it cannot be exposed to malicious or accidental firmware installs. New vulnerabilities are discovered all the time. Therefore, it's standard practice within the electronics industry to ensure that genuine firmware is maintained by developers. The Brother Product Security Incident Response Team, PSIRT, proactively identifies and fixes known vulnerabilities as soon as they are identified through updated firmware, which is made available to products throughout their lifetime. For this reason, Brother recommends always having the latest firmware. Otherwise, organizations could potentially expose their devices to older vulnerabilities. Brother devices reject older firmware as standard by disabling the ability to downgrade. Devices also encourage users to install their latest updates. Out of the box, Brother devices are set up to automatically alert users when new firmware is available. Alerts happen in a variety of ways, including on-screen messages and through end-user software. This encourages anyone using a Brother device, be it at home or in the office, to keep their devices protected with the latest security updates. Once users have been notified, installing new firmware is easy and can be done in a variety of ways. By default, Brother firmware is downloaded by the device over the internet. Brother devices connect to the internet using industry standard encrypted communications using secure HTTP. This ensures safe and reliable end-to-end communication and maintains the integrity of the firmware. At this point, it is now ready to install. Before Brother devices install it, the device checks the integrity of the firmware using a digitally signed signature to ensure it is safe to install. A digital signature is like a wax seal. If the seal breaks in transit, the receiver may suspect that the contents have been tampered with. In other words, a wax seal protects the integrity of the letter or package it is applied to. Brother digital signatures use complex algorithms, which guarantees the integrity of the firmware to ensure it is genuine Brother software before it is installed. by using digitally signed firmware downloaded over encrypted connections, its integrity is maintained, so organisations can be confident that their devices and network remain secure. But even after the firmware installs, as the device automatically reboots, its integrity is checked once again through the secure boot process before any user interaction. So now we have explored how each individual Brother device is secure as standard throughout its lifetime by regular firmware updates, and how a Brother device maintains its integrity. But many organisations typically have more than one Brother device. Maintaining multiple devices is more challenging since they can be spread across wide areas, often in several different locations. To keep firmware up to date across an entire fleet, BRadmin Professional can automatically check that all Brother print devices on a network are running the latest firmware. The dashboard can instantly show which devices require firmware updates and prompt IT administrators so that they can remotely install this firmware manually to all managed devices. If IT administrators choose, BRadmin Professional also has the flexibility to automatically deploy new firmware to devices. By using BRadmin Professional and secured firmware updates, Brother devices are automatically kept up to date, so IT administrators are assured that an entire fleet has genuine firmware with the latest security. While it is recommended that organisations use secure firmware, we understand that some organisations want to control the timing of these updates. IT administrators may want to test the compatibility of any latest firmware to reduce the risk of any downtime or release updates during non-working hours. Brother devices offer the flexibility to disable automatic updates, enabling IT administrators to schedule the updates at a time that suits their organisation. IT administrators can rest assured that the latest security updates are readily available through Brother genuine firmware, ready to deploy at a time that is convenient to them. To summarise, we explored how our devices are secure as standard. They are protected throughout their lifetime with continuous development by Brother's security team. We also explored how Brother devices maintain the integrity of their firmware through secure boot, digitally signed firmware, secure encrypted connections, and preventing downgrades. Furthermore, we explored how Brother devices alert end users to new security updates and how to apply them to the device through product notifications, direct device downloads, and automatic deployment using BRadmin for large fleets. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll explore network security and protecting network access. I've posted a link to it on the screen.